Hey there, it's Mark Weiss. Let's talk about pacing around negotiation. You know, just like in a car, we can go fast and slow. We can, depending on the car, quickly change the pace at which we're moving forward. Or, if we have good brakes, we could quickly change how fast we are stopping. How easy it is to change directions if we have good steering, and so on. Same thing applies in a negotiation. It's a mistake to think that a negotiation simply progresses in a number of equally spaced steps along some path from the first exchange to signing a document. It doesn't. Knowing how to change the pace of a deal depends in large part about how much information you have on the other side and what their own pressures are. For example, very simple example, if you knew that there was a deadline for the renewal of a deal or for entry into a deal or for the executive on the other side with whom you're negotiating to go on vacation, you could play against their timeline. You could also consider protecting information about your own time pressures in connection with negotiation. But more than just time pressures, it's the notion of when to speed up and when to slow down, which is an advantage actually that smaller organizations have against larger organizations because those decisions can be made more quickly. You have objectives you want to accomplish in a negotiation. You have perhaps alternatives to what that negotiation will result in. But think about internally how you're deciding how quickly to engage, when to slow down, when to speed up, when to push them for an answer, and when to pretend like you don't have a care in the world. It doesn't matter whether you do a deal or not.